एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीन सांकलीम हांगा सांकले पासून मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या मतदारसंघात पासून एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीस आसा हे हांव टेबल करता आनी एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीस इन बांबोलीम म्हाका हे सगळे येता सगळ्यो वेबसायटी येता कोण कितले भितर गेलो जाल्यार तेका लिंक येता मोबायल नंबर येता कोणा कडेन सर्व्हिस प्रोवायड घेवपाची तें येता सो म्हाका स्पिकर सर लज दिसता कित्याक हांव आमदार आसून आमी स्टॉप करपाक शकना की हे सरकाराची जी यंत्रणा आसा ती टोटल फेल जाल्ली आसा स्पिकर सर तशेंच हांवें मुद्दम पळयलें की जो एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीस इन गोवा म्हणून मारली नाल्यार गोंयांत कितलेशे एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीस आतां हांवें मारून पळयले परत बंद केल्या काय म्हणून आमी कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातल्या कांयच बंद जावना सगळें चालू आसा मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लक्ष दवरपाक बिंग अ होम मिनिस्टर हें लक्ष दवरपाची गरज आसा आमी काय नाल्यार आतां गुगलाचेर मारून पळया की प्रत्येक जे एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसीस जाल्यार कॉमन जाल्या ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्मार मेळटा सो स्पिकर सर स्वाभिमान हो आमचो आमी राखपाक जाय आनी हो स्वाभिमान राखतलो नाजाल्यार मुखेलमंत्र्यान बिंग अ होम मिनिस्टर स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय की हे जितले आसा हे सगळे बंद करपाचें हे चालू उरलें नाल्यार हे घातक आसा आयज गोंय टुरिजम स्टेट आसा आनी टुरिजम स्टेटीचो जो स्वाभिमान प्रोटेक्ट करपाची जबाबदारी ह्या सरकारा कडेन आसा स्पिकर सर आमी पळयता ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग आतां ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगाचे कितलेशे आमी सांगता कितलेशे न्यूज येता आतां कितल्योशे एनजीओज ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगाच्या हितून काम करता आतां ह्यो एनजीओ जेन्ना काम करता तांकां सपोर्ट करता सरकार हें करता पण ते अजून पर्यंत स्टॉप जाल्ले ना तरी पूण गोंयांत हें पयलू केन्नाच नासलें स्पिकर सर आतां हें दिसता आयज ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर दिसता कितलेशे सर्वेज आउट जाल्ले आसा सो हें जेन्ना जाता स्पिकर सर होम डिपार्टमेंट करता कितें स्पिकर सर कित्याक एवरी टायम आमी असले इश्यूज आउट करता हो एस्कॉर्ट सर्व्हिसाचो हेच्या पयलूय इश्यू आउट केल्लो हेच्या पयलूय आमी उलयल्ले हें चलता म्हणून कितलेशे जाणांनी ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर भायर वचून उलयता ट्युरिस्ट येवन उलयता अशें आमकां त्रास करता हेच्या पयलू हांवें सांगलेलें म्हाका स्वता म्हणून लडकी चाहिए क्या म्हणून तरी पूण तेजेर एक्शन जायना तरी पूण तें चलता स्पिकर सर हितून इंटरनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट कितें तरी आसा अशें तरी म्हाका दिसता इंटरनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट नासलें जाल्यार हें टोटल बंद जातलें आनी हे जबाबदारी मुखेलमंत्र्यान घेवपाक जाय आनी आयज ह्या फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस ही एश्युरन्स दिवपाक जाय की ह्यो जितल्यो वेबसायट्स आसा कितले युट्यूब आसा जावं आनी खंयचे हेचेर आसा सोशल मिडिया नेटवर्काचेर आसा फेसबूक इंस्टाग्राम खंयच्याय नेटवर्काचेर आसा हे टोटल खंयच्या दिसा भितर बंद जातले हे एश्युरन्स मुखेलमंत्र्यान आयज आमकां दिवपाक जाय
person opens a website and that is blocked or it is shut down, he opens a new website. This is what is all happening. My submission is that just not block the website, trace the source of the website and then book those people. You will find a recurring pattern of the same people being involved again and again under different platforms, under different names, but everything is being sourced because this is also money. And this is money which is illegitimate money. And there is flight of revenue, no taxation paid, no registration, and therefore it is totally illegal. So this is the one thing I want to say. Second thing is your cyber cell is also very busy, not only doing these kind of works to see these kind of sexual websites or these kind of unpleasant websites, but they also look after different type of cyber crimes. The cyber crimes can be money, can be where you have people doing financial transactions, you want to stop them. So they are busy with that. So they are doing multiple things. What I have a recommendation is, and that's what I want to ask the government, have a dedicated website, have a dedicated team, specially for the cyber cell, to monitor this, because they can also monitor in lifetime, and they can nab these people. And if this is done, and the message goes that the Goa police is watching you, like you have in George Orwell's 1984, Big Brother is watching you. If it is in this manner, nothing can go wrong. I can assure that much of this will be reduced. So my
वेबसाइट्स आहे कितलोसो लोक भोंवता कितलेशे ट्रॅफिकिंग जाता आनी आज जेन्ना ARZ हायलायट जाता की गोंया 1% हे म्हूण आम नांव पेडेकू नाय पेपरांची येता रिपोर्ट येता आम तेंक कन्फ्रंट करपा जाय एज अ स्टेट जरी तरी ते फूट माताय जाल्यार आमकां कन्फ्रंट केलो परस आमकां सांगलो परस की गोंयचें नांव आम पेडेकूतल्या भाशेन आम पेडेकू नाय स्पिकर सर फॅक्ट्स आहा ते येता आनी इट इज अ शेम स्पिकर सर की गोवा टॉप्स द पर कॅपिटा ट्रॅफिकिंग गोवा टॉप्स म्हणजे कितें शेम ऑन अस दॅट we here as a state today are topping India as a nation at 1 case per lakh population where trafficking is concerned, 5 times the national average of 0.2 per lakh. And this strategy and yes, it is there in the news. Am uloil mun now pede जायना now केनो पेडे जाता जेन्ना आमी mitigate करपा पावनाय तेन्ना स्पीकर सर I demand immediately 3 actions which is required. ARZ गेलो Arun Pandey, he warns, are we able to reach out to all the girls and women who are trafficked? Answer is no. So our specific demand here today is endorse ARZ's call for a statewide survey and map the victims, vulnerabilities, families, rehabilitation needs, table it in this house within 3 months. Second one is strengthen the AHTU, that is the anti-human trafficking unit, with 50% more personnel and issue rupees 10 crore funding from this 26-27 budget, mandating interstate task forces with neighboring states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. And third one is launch a safe Goa tourism protocol train 5,000 hospitality workers, regulate online ads, impose fine on complicit establishments, make it like a model on Tamil Nadu's success. These are the 3 points that is demanded for today. We request the Chief Minister and the State.
इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आम्ही आफ्टर कितें सापडलें कोणी कॉल केल्यार रेड मारल्यो ते एक दोलो आनी मागीर 2 जाण तो सुटले. दुसरे जात तुपा गेल्यार मागीर तितले मुनीस विक्टीमू ना आसता. What I want to say, the Honorable Chief Minister, all these raids, everything is okay. But main just sosa hai, jo main boslo hai, here to dismantle is very important because it is affecting us as tourism, as a hotel owner. It is affecting us and it is being a very big problem. So I urge the government to make.
Michael Loba asta. Kityag asta tu? Because of King, you know, in the streets of Panjim, everywhere you see this massage parlors. There are so many spas. Everywhere, what is happening, Speaker Sir? We know this. Speaker Sir, 6,425 women are in Goa infested according to the government's own health data. And 7,000 have been reportedly trafficked. We are in Goa. In Goa today, Speaker Sir, has the highest per capita trafficking rate in the country. Highest per capita trafficking rate. Chief Minister talks about the other capita, highest per capita. 8,15,000 more. As per the report, this is one of the highest, Speaker Sir, in the country. So, Speaker Sir, at the end, because I know others also have to speak, but Makadista, ki Chief Minister needs to take serious, this is a very, very serious issue. What steps will you take to strengthen the anti-human trafficking unit? Speaker Sir, jenna ek patra haंव दाखयता, जे मुखेलमंत्रीक इमी when he asked for shaping budget 2027, doing आख्या गोंयकारांक मागलेले suggestion, you have already received on behalf of Anyay Rahit Zindagi. They have written a letter to you on the 28th of February. This is an NGO that has been running with the state police for the last 26 years. So, Makadisa, it is a very, very important issue. Goa should not get bad name. The way drugs, murders, rapes, and this also bad name if it gets, because of the records show that it is happening. And it is a concern, and as legislators, it is our duty to make sure that Goa is not in bad shape. But this is happening, and we cannot hide away the reality. Thank you, Speaker.